Hello there, fellow people of YouTube. Starting out my first actual video, I'm going to be doing something a bit wacky, you might say. Now, it's just a screenshot of Windows 2.0. I'm showing, multiple, I think. Truth is, yeah. But here's the funny part. This is not on Windows 10. However, there's a problem, as most kind of channels usually do. The computer good old cleaner does not have a floppy drive, meaning that we cannot install it because Windows 2.0 has the floppy drive. Well, yeah. So, why don't we just take the extreme route and install it straight up? So, we're gonna go to shutdown, and I am going to see you on the other side. Well, I think, but yeah. I'm probably going to have to keep this video short just because it's time limit or something. But yeah. Alright. So we're going to go to settings. Now, will Windows allow us to do this? I don't know, but I think it's a no because we're literally installing another version of Windows straight up, and I don't think. Come on, VirtualBox. Yes, I am running, yeah, because I felt like it. Anyways, alright. Just go here, add the floppies. Oh, just add an attachment. And we're just going to leave it empty. Now we're going to click OK, and we're going to boot. Alright. Peace. See us, well, I'm not really saying peace, so I'm saying bye, because, man, it's going to take way longer. Might as well just oh, alright. F5. Wait, no. That's supposed to be the setup information. This is supposed to be the application to allow us. Can't really drive my mouse. To install. Alright. Enter. We're going to call this Win2. Because Windows 2. Personal System. DBA. Microsoft Keyboard. Okay. I'm really curious on how this will work on Vista because Vista is really like the command center being or command or Alright, finish setup, and that's pretty much what we have to do. What? What now? Yeah, okay. Alright. Now we gotta do the whole... God, I hope this works. Three, 2, 1. Ignore. And it crashed. Hold on. So apparently, according to Microsoft, this is because apparently it forces the app. So there's no way to like force an app onto Windows. Okay, that's weird. But I think I have an idea of what to do. Yeah. I don't know what that is, but okay. Win 2. Hold on a minute. What if we actually control? You're about to run control.exe. Old. I know. Installation preferences. Screen colors. Oh, Christ. Oh, I know what we're doing. I know what I'm doing. Application background. Alright, what's the next? Huh? Are we finished? Wow, that looks broken. I don't know what that is supposed to be, but okay. Let's try. I don't think anyone has ever seen a 256 color setting. I don't think anyone has ever seen that. I think I said it before, but holy crap. Holy crap. Oh, I think that's the noise from a... Yeah. Because that's normally sticks with feed, but since technically there is no feed. Oh shit. Alright, hold on. Oh, this is gonna happen. Okay, now we have virtual PC installed. Alright. Alright, you know what? I'm just going to call it a victory. I mean, we technically installed Windows 2, but I mean, that's not what we really wanted. Alright. Shut it down. Alright. Peace.